So the Josh is sky high at the border, and Times Now brings you face to face with Operation Sindoor warriors. These are the BSF braves who gave it back bullet for bullet. Their grit rattles Pakistan and their spirit echoes duty until death. From trenches to towers, we're reporting live from the front line where valor speaks louder than words. My colleague Rishabh visited the forward bases from where the artillery was fired. Now, these artillery strikes inflicted significant damage on the enemy's brigade headquarters. Take a look at this report.
What you're seeing on your screens are the forward RT bases of Indian Army in Chinar Corps, the 15th Corps in the north of Jammu and Kashmir. Where we are right now is one such forward base from where the RTs were fired. Remember, these RTs were fired not only till the LOC, but these RTs did inflict damage at the brigade headquarters in Pakistan as well. In POK, from here on, about 50 to 100 kilometers of locations of military establishment of Pakistani army were targeted in response to unprovoked ceasefire violation that began just after Pahalgam attack on 22nd of April, the moment India CCS, the Cabinet Committee on Security, decided that there will be punitive action against Pakistan. Diplomatically, the small arms fighting began. On 7th, when India targeted 9 bases of the terror launch pads and terror headquarters, including the Murid-K of Lashkar-e-Toiba and Bahawalpur headquarters of Jaish-e-Mohammed, the two most dreaded terror organizations that operate from Pakistan. These small arm firings converted into RT shelling from the line of control on the other side, and that's when the Indian Army swung into action, well prepared to ensure that they respond, and they respond in the most appropriate way. And this is what the response was. From here on, about 50 to 100 kilometers were targeted. Pakistan Army's brigade headquarters were targeted as well. The response was such, the RT response was such that an intercept talked about a commander on the other side telling his troops that पहले जान बचाओ दफ्तर बाद में खोलेंगे. There were intercepts as well, which talked about how he left the brigade headquarters, went back deep into Pakistan, and was in a mosque praying for his life. That's Indian Army for you all. Here in Jammu and Kashmir, with camera person Himanshu Verma, Rishabh Pratap for Times Now.